Taking care of your dog's nails is a crucial aspect of their grooming routine that should not be overlooked. It is imperative to understand the proper technique of trimming their nails so as not to accidentally cut into the sensitive pink area inside the nail that houses blood vessels and nerves. Our informative instructional video is designed to meticulously guide you through the nail trimming process, ensuring your dog's comfort and overall well-being. Remember to express gratitude to your furry companion for their patience and cooperation during the grooming session. If you found our video to be helpful and insightful, we kindly encourage you to consider subscribing to our channel, giving the video a thumbs up, and sharing it with fellow dog owners. Your support is truly appreciated and enables us to continue offering valuable information and resources for pet owners.